I'm marking the mid track real quick. Okay, if you look at the ribbon closely, you can see that one side has the connections, the other side is just the tape. It's hard to distinguish, but it's not that hard. You just gotta make sure you have the right side. So right now I have the contacts facing the top. I see the cut tape here on top. The other side is basically one whole piece of tape. So it means that these connections are open here and there, and I have a clear tape on top in the center. So I'll keep this facing up. Okay, next step. You have the ribbon down with the connections facing up, and you put the screen facing up right on top of it and match the connectors. Okay, I'm just putting a little tape here just to hold the back aligned. It's not that easy to align these lines here. Okay, barely touching the tape, so it is aligned. Now it is a little off, so I'm gonna have to do it again. Okay, I got it right under the screen. And I got it against the ribbon. This is the front of the LCD with the ribbon touching the back. The alignment is just, I use these two little pieces of tape here. Alright. So it's not even touching the contacts right now. This is the back of the LCD with the ribbon touching the back, the top of the back. Now I get the little rubber. Place it against the contacts. Okay, I have the rubber there. Now I'm gonna fold these contacts. Oops, I messed up. Have to do it again. Okay, rubber should be in place. I'm just trying to keep the rubber in place. Where's the metal thing? Of course, I was trying the wrong metal piece all this time. Okay, I think, and I hope I got it now. Okay, so this is after several tries. I have the rubber in place and I have the metal clip in place. Don't worry about this ugly tape in the back, it shouldn't be a problem. I can probably pull this corner tapes off. Let's hope it worked. Now I'm gonna go to the other side. So I am forced to go to a more traditional cleaning method. I got some acetone. Okay, let's try that. Yeah. Don't press too much. I'm barely touching it and I can see the glue coming off. Awesome. I did use acetone first, like a few times, and I don't know if it was gonna be this easy if I didn't do that. But now I can see everything coming off clearly. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. I think this side is clean and this is glue still on top, so that you have an idea. I thought it was clean before, and now that I'm scraping again I feel that there's still a lot of glue left that I'm gonna try to take off. So basically this is really clean here. I'm gonna keep doing this. So now it's time to align these connections. Oops. I went from left to right. Okay, so I'm trying this. I put a tape there to hold it in place. for now. Okay, so I realigned the board side of the tape of the ribbon. It looks like everything is touching correctly, so I'm gonna try to close it again and give it one more try. I think I got it in place. Finally. Okay. I think and I hope I got it right this time. And I hope this was the problem, not the other side. So there you know, this is actually LEDs. This is the backlight of the screen. And the LEDs get power from this cable here, so at this point you should try connecting the LEDs back and go test it in your car. Hopefully everything worked. Peace. Okay people, so what's the verdict? Let's find out. Wow. There we go. Everything works. It looks like beautiful. Let me try another function. It's kind of hard. Okay. Okay, I'm happy. Now I'll just assemble the unit back.